I'm smoking a cigarette, right? You're writing a citation for a smoking violation?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead and do that.
The reasonable suspicion.
Do you have a reasonable suspicion?
Yeah, we do.
What is that? I'm holding a can. That's your reasonable suspicion? Holding a can is a reasonable suspicion.
Do you have any questions, sir?
Is that a question you're asking me?
Do you have any questions?
Are you asking me questions?
Do you have any questions about this?
I don't answer questions. Great.
What you got there, man?
What do you mean?
What kind of beverage is that?
What does it matter?
Pepsi.
Stay your distance, please.
Stay your distance?
Yeah, I don't want two guys with guns coming up on me.
Oh, we're police officers. Maybe you
I don't
know.
care whether you're police officers or the mafia.
The mafia?
Yeah, you guys are rolling around and crubbing up on me with guns. Back up. Damn.
We're police officers. We're here to serve and protect, sir.
Serve and protect. You're trying to...
Because there's a lot of students here drinking. So
I don't...
We just want to make sure that...
No inquiry needed.
So, yeah, well, our job is to make sure the community's safe.
That's some Gestapo stuff when you're going to stop for everybody holding a can anywhere.
No, not everybody holding a can anywhere.
Just me?
No, just people that we feel might be drinking in public. So
do you suspect I might be drinking in public?
We have no idea.
We don't know what the...
So you do not suspect that I might be drinking in public?
Show us what kind of
we have what is called a reasonable
Do you suspect?
suspicion.
That's what I'm asking. Do you suspect? You said no.
What's called a reasonable suspicion.
Do you have a reasonable suspicion?
Yeah, we do.
What is that? I'm holding a can.
To
That's your reasonable suspicion? Holding a can is a reasonable suspicion.
Yeah.
So anybody holding a can is under reasonable suspicion.
Well, typically we like to see the can. Usually we can see if it's an actual soft drink or...
This may not be typical. Do I look imbibed on beverages in public, Officer Scott?
I don't know.
May I have your card, please?
You'd have to come get it, and you don't want me to get close to you.
Will you please hand me your card? I am requesting
Let me
it
see if I can do
clearly.
this from a distance.
Do I need to articulate?
Is this close? You want me to set it down and then you can grab it? Would that be better so I don't get too close?
Officer Avila,
Yeah.
may I have your card, please? Excellent. Officer Avila has no problem being professional with a business card. Anything else that you gentlemen need besides Gestapo stops for cans? Yeah, it's Gestapo bullshit when you're going to stop me for a can on the sidewalk. That's sick.
You were standing here. We didn't stop you. We just came up to talk to you.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, later.
See you. Have a good night. Take care.
Yeah.
Good talking to you.
Yeah.
What's up?
How's it going?
Going.
Nice.
What's going on with you?
Not too much. I need to get my car out.
Which one's your car?
I need the one up front right there.
And then whose car is this black one?
The person who lives here. They're both blocked in by the person who lives here.
This white car?
Yes.
This person lives there?
Yeah, they're supposed to be on that side of the driveway. We're supposed to be on this side, right?
Yep.
This is how there's parking issues here.
Okay.
There's limited space here. They have conflicts with this neighbor as well. They had to pour a pad in for these guys, right? We have short parking. So when I go to knock on her door, hello, ma'am. Hi, is this your car? Yes. Can you move it, please? No. Why not? I don't want to. Okay, I need to get my car out. I don't care. Boom, slams the door. Boom, boom, boom. Hello, ma'am. Can you please move your car? I'm calling the cops. Call the cops, please.
And what's your name?
That's where we're at. What's your name?
That's where we're at?
What's your name?
Deputy Robinson, what's your name?
Thank you. I haven't provided it.
Okay. Can you provide your name, please?
Do you suspect me of a crime?
Listen, when an officer asks for your information, you're obligated to give it to me.
If you suspect me, reasonable, articulate suspicion of a crime, yes, I am obligated. Do you suspect me of a crime?
No, and...
Okay, well, at this point, I've told you the situation.
Okay.
I would appreciate it if you could...
I need your driver's license, please.
I don't have it.
Okay. What's your name?
Why do you need my name?
Why are you not going to give your name?
Because do you suspect me of a crime? That is the Colorado law. If you suspect me, reasonable, articulate suspicion that I have committed a crime, am about to commit a crime, or did commit a crime, then I am obligated under Colorado statute to provide my identification.
Are you going to give me your driver's license?
Do you have any suspicion that I've committed a crime here? Do you need my identification for that?
I need to know who you are, sir.
Okay, why?
Because I'm a law enforcement officer.
That's not how the law works.
That's exactly how it works. So what happens is, I ask you for your identification.
Yes, sir. You ask. That's fine.
Okay. And then you provide it for me.
If you have an obligation, if I have an obligation, I provide it. I do not, I believe.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you what.
I haven't committed any crime here.
This is a civil issue, so I'll let you guys handle it.
Hey, you can't smoke down here, sir. It's a no smoking area.
Yeah, this criminal shit.
So this is a downtown Boulder no smoking area.
They love to enforce it, don't they? Wow. He looked smart till he wanted to come over here and talk, I guess. Walking the roadway.
Hey, sir, Stripes. Need to talk to you, please. How you guys doing today? Chicago. I like Chicago. You have an ID on you, sir?
What's the probable
You were
cause?
smoking over here.
Oh, am I
There's
going to get a
smoking
citation
area.
for
Yeah.
that?
Can you see an ID, please?
Yeah, citation for that's probably a good idea, right?
Yeah.
Keeping the peace?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I don't come
Excuse
up
me.
with the laws.
Don't grab my stuff.
I don't come up with the laws. The city council does. Thank you, sir. Want to step over here?
I'm on sidewalk, is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay. That's fine.
Great, I'll stay here.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that's a no smoking area. I'm sorry. You can't smoke down here per the city council. All right? Yeah, don't get hit.
What's your name and badge number?
Steinman, his last name.
And we already know Johnson.
How are you today, Mr. Kerr?
Let's get this over with.
You doing all right today, Mr. Kerr? Did you guys get rained on at all with that down?
I'm smoking a cigarette, right? You're writing a
Mhm.
citation for a smoking violation?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead and do that.
I'm doing it.
Get to work. I don't got all day. So he says no smoking, I put it out, and then we stick around, and I guess he's retaliating for recording him.
It's not retaliation. I saw you smoking over here. It's against the laws. I didn't make up the law, sir.
You didn't?
No.
You didn't
City
vote? You
council
didn't have a
did.
part of that?
I don't live in this city.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can't afford it?
No way. It's expensive.
They don't pay you enough?
No.
Hmm.
How about you? What do you do for a living, sir?
I don't answer questions.
Oh, okay.
How's your day going?
It's going great, man.
Did you get rained on?
No. Did you?
I don't answer questions.
Oh, okay. That's fine. That was a...
Do you enjoy writing smoking tickets and upholding the law for all these smokers in the city you don't live in, for the council that you enforce? Just if you enjoy it or not, you don't have to enjoy it. You could enjoy it though. He doesn't look like he's enjoying it.
Copy, thanks. Is this your correct address, Mr. Kerr?
Let's get on with it.
I'm asking so I can put it on the summons.
I don't answer questions. I gave you an ID. Do your job.
I'm just asking that.
I don't answer questions.
Okay, that's fine.
You're gonna stand here and give me a smoking ticket and think I'm gonna roll over and just talk to you like you're a friend?
I don't think we're friends.
No, then don't answer me questions.
I just asked you about your address.
No, you asked me if I got wet today, you asked me how I'm doing, you asked me a lot more than my address. Police training officer, that is sad. Are you the one in training?
I'm not putting you down, sir. Why are you putting me down? I haven't said a bad thing to you, sir. Why are you saying bad things about me? You work, sir?
Are you asking more questions?
Just for the summons, because I need it.
It asks if I work?
Yes.
Okay, don't ask me questions, please. I'm not answering your questions. Harassing the homeless, giving smoking violations. You guys got anything small on your day, or just this big stuff?
Okay, sir, let's see. How old are you?
Do the math.
You have a phone number, sir?
I don't answer questions.
What is your phone number?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. All right, so sir, you need to go to court July 2nd at 8:30 in the morning at 6th and Canyon. There's a sign right here. It's not saying you're guilty. It's saying you're going to court.
I don't believe I have to sign. I believe you can just give me that ticket.
You got a sergeant coming, right? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Do I have to sign?
We'll talk to a sergeant and see what he has to say.
I've seen this happen before. It's just a citation. Are you allowed to give it to me, or do I have to sign? I'm asking you.
Well, signings is saying that it's not saying that you're guilty. It's saying that you either will you'll appear in court. That's what it's saying. It's not saying you're guilty. It's saying you'll appear in court.
Do you have any reason to believe I wouldn't appear in court?
Didn't say that, did I?
I'll make a mark on it, acknowledging I took it.
Okay, that's fine. Here you go, sir. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Do you have any questions, sir?
Is that a question you're asking me?
Do you have any questions?
Are you asking me questions?
Do you have any questions about this?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. There you go. There you go. Are you not going to take it?
Are you going to let it go?
There you go. Is this a game?
I'm trying to take it. Are you going to let it go or not? Thanks for my stuff. Have a nice day. Go enforce some better laws.
Thank you, man.
Why don't you get to work? Aren't you on the job?
I am working.
Get to work.
I'm working.
Quit being a dumb piggy.
Why are you cussing?
Why are you being... I said a dumb piggy? Which one of those words is a cuss word, dummy?
Why are you yelling at me?
Which one of those is a cuss word? Huh? You are so brilliant. Get to work. Ignore the photographers and get to work. Are you that lazy that you can't fucking do nothing to? Oh, the smoking ticket that got dropped? But yeah, the smoking ticket that got dropped because it wasn't even a real ticket, because you're a joker. You can't even write a fucking legitimate ticket. I wonder how many unlegitimate tickets that get dropped you write all day. Yeah. Nasty piggies.
That concludes our video for today. Please subscribe and turn on all notifications so you never miss a video. If you're old here, like, share, comment down below what you think of this interaction, and consider a channel membership or merch to further support the channel. If you have an incident you'd like us to review, link it down below or contact us through the social media platforms linked in the description.